Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel where I talk about money and beauty. So if you're interested in one or both of those things, please subscribe to this channel. So as you can see by the title of this video, I plan on stop working within the next few years or so. Because I just can't see myself working until I'm 60 or 70. Like, that's not an option for me. So we had to figure something out so we won't be working that long. Like, nah, another 40 years is not okay with me. Today what we're going to be doing is comparing our assets, which is what we own of value, compared to our debts, which is what we owe, as far as like personal loans or credit cards. So let's get straight to the numbers. So first off, when we did this video back in July, we did make a mistake, or I made a mistake because I made the video. So as far as our student loans, we did owe $6,000 more than what I said. In January we owed $6,000 more, and then also in July we owed $6,000 more. But that doesn't make a difference as far as the fact that we did go up $10,000 in a matter of 6 months. The only thing that makes a difference too is our actual net worth value. So it should have been, our net worth should have been $6,000 less than what I said. But this time we got it together. I definitely triple checked things just because I know I messed up last time. But it's good this time, for real. Alright, so what we're going to be comparing is July of 2018 to December of 2018. Okay, so just to recap, back in July 2018, the debts were the student loans, which were $46,890. Our mortgage loan was $153,000. Our car loan was $9,900. As far as our assets, the car was worth $8,875. The SUV was worth $6,025. Our savings account, which includes our retirement and also our emergency funds, those were $19,100 together. Our house was worth $161,300. So that means that our net worth was negative $14,490. Okay, so in December 2018, our debts were the student loans, which were $45,900, our mortgage, $151,500, our car, which was $8,600. As far as the assets, the car was worth $8,600, our SUV worth $5,800, our savings, which of course includes our emergency funds and our retirement accounts, $27,600. Our house was worth $166,800. So that means that our net worth is now positive $2,800. So that means that our net worth has increased by $17,290 in 5 months. So good job, us. If y'all want to see how we started being smarter with our money and how we started saving more money, please check out my video where I talk about ways to start saving money. I'm going to leave a link down below to it, and also I'm going to do a note card right here. So please click on that video so you can start saving money too. I believe that's really helpful that would be very helpful for a lot of people. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And I'll see y'all next time.